Welcome to another segment of Igbo Lesson 1.4. We shall learn about the rest of our body parts in Igbo.
Aho.
This lesson will continue to help you with your mastery of Igbo language.
1 otu 2 abụọ.
Okay. Onye nkuzi. Repeat. Ndị nkuzi. Teachers. Ndị nkuzi. Repeat.
Hello again. I am Chinasa and I will take you on tour on Mmadu. Person. Aho. Neck. Olu. Stomach. Afọ. Biko kwem n'aka.
Makwem n'aka, ebeleko mapotere maka. Makwem n'aka, makwem n'aka, ebeleko mapotere maka. Makwem n'aka, makwem n'aka, ebeleko mapotere maka.
Leg. Ụkwụ. Eji m ụkwụ m aga ije.
Because after taking your shower, you feel refreshed. You feel good. If you do not take your shower or bath after playing in the dirt, you will have itch. Itches all about your body. An itch is called oko. Oko.